how coaches can create a month's worth of magnetic content in just one afternoon. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a simple framework called macro, micro, nano method that lets you create one powerful piece of content and turn it into an entire month's worth of posts, videos, and even emails without the stress or the overwhelm. If you'd love to see exactly how you can start making consistent content faster starting today, drop the word MMN below and I'll send you my checklist that shows you exactly how to do it step by step. Hi, my name is Lida Sportel, founder of the Whole Wellness Method, and I'm a licensed psychotherapist and creator of a revolutionary plug-and-play tech platform called Whole Wellness Funnels. And I support coaches and healers to build a successful business they love without burning out, getting stuck in tech overwhelm, or spending years trying to figure it all out alone. So let's talk about one of the biggest struggles that coaches face when it comes to creating content. You sit down to create content, but it takes forever. You have no idea what to say. You probably second guess every single post. Perfectionism, self-doubt all kick in, and before you know it, it's been like 2 hours and you're still staring at a blank screen. Most coaches try to solve this by either batch creating random posts, copying what they see others are doing, using some ChatGPT and AI, or winging it week by week, day by day, hoping that something will eventually click. Here's why that doesn't work. Random posting just doesn't build momentum with your audience and your ideal client. It confuses your message. It burns you out. And worst of all, it makes your dream clients stop paying attention because they don't see the consistency and the authority that they're looking for. Well, that's why I teach the macro, micro, nano method. It's a simple content structure that starts with just one powerful topic, which is your macro piece, and it's what you absolutely love to talk about, and it's the long form content. We strategically design and decide what that big piece of content will be. And then once you're done creating that, we break it down into micro content, like for social media, for emails, and for many different platforms. And then even further, the nano content, which is like quick stories, quick tips, quick polls. And here's why this works. Instead of guessing every week or even every month, you start with one strong theme. Side note, I have 36 coaching themes that are the hottest and the most in demand that I'll show you how to use. And once you start with that one strong theme that is directly connected to your ideal client and your offers, you create that one piece of content and then effortlessly spin it out into multiple posts and emails that reinforce your message, build trust, and move your audience closer to want to work with you, all while saving a massive amount of time. So if you're ready to make consistent, on point content faster starting today, drop the word MMN below and I'll send you my checklist that will show you exactly how to turn one idea into a full month of authority building content. With this checklist, you'll know exactly how to create more engagement, attract more leads, and finally have a content plan that actually supports the growth of your beautiful coaching and healing business without the constant stress.